So we are going to use this special glass called Mitten.
And the next thing we do
because the
after
cake is hot.
the cake is to let
So
it
it's
cool
only one
down
more minute
before
left
slicing.
for the cake to finish baking. We are so excited. So the thing we can put a syrup, but it's not a must.
We've been living in sin so long, all the fields are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright.
Process of what you're supposed to do. So welcome back to the channel, and today I want to take this special opportunity to thank my returning subscribers for always coming back to support us. I also want to welcome the new subscribers to the channel, and I hope that you stay with us from now on. And I also want to ask politely that if you're watching us and you haven't subscribed, please do hit the subscription button or subscribe to the channel. So in this house, as you can see, I don't bake alone anymore, especially during school holidays, and I actually have a full production team right now. The girls are the official camera crew today, and honestly they have taken the job very seriously. So they've had this recipe so many times that at this point they could probably bake this cake without me, and you'd even hear them repeating the steps back to me.
No, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Then take a tablespoon of
Vanilla.
yes, vanilla
Be
essence.
testable kama last time. Kuna kula bila siku.
We are done with this.
Next
Next.
is sugar powder.
Sugar. This is 1 cup of sugar.
Hey, that's a bowl.
Yeah, but I already measured. What is it? What I used to. Are you seeing my mixture?
Yes.
I'll decide whether we use food color. This is an orange food color.
Okay.
We shall decide.
Okay.
So after that, this one we'll put later.
And next is the flour, the yeast.
So we are going to take also
The yeast.
the yeast, a tablespoon of yeast.
Okay.
So oh, that's a lot, but it's okay. Okay. You're not showing this.
Oh yeah.
Don't
Yeah.
do it. That is yeast. You know what goes in next?
Yes.
What?
The flour.
Butter.
Then the flour. Then the milk. Then we mix. It has oil.
It
It's
is
butter.
Just
Melted.
Melted.
Like, I'm the student and they are my teachers, and I can't even argue because they are right. So we'll go through everything, every process step by step, again and again, all the time, while I try to stay patient and not mess up my own recipe. So for this recipe, of course, we have 4 eggs, a cup of sugar, a cup of margarine, a cup of milk, a tablespoon of vanilla, a tablespoon of yeast, and 3 cups of flour. And also have a syrup, and because when you're done baking, some people, if they love, because the syrup is somehow sugary, so if somebody love that if you have lovers of sugar, so they can have the syrup, but if you don't like it, you don't have to put it. So we just put it here for the ones who would love to use the syrup. And I know as you can see, the little ones, you can hear the little ones in the background. I know they'll later join us, and they'll show up when the cake goes into the oven, because of course that's the most important part of the process. And when they come here, they'll not allow me to stand anymore. They'll kind of instruct me, quote unquote, to sit right here next to the oven, because they want to have this group experience. They'll want to watch the cake bake, they'll want to feel the moment, they'll want updates, after every 5 seconds, like it's a live event. So we'll just be here, sitting, waiting, talking about whether it's going to rise or how it's going to turn out, while of course I'll pretend as though I have control in the kitchen. But honestly, I wouldn't trade this experience for anything, because it's not just a baking experience. It's not about baking a cake anymore. It has become our thing, and mostly the girls are going to take us through the process with my help. So let's sit back and watch and see, how the events unfold, because they're gonna celebrate when they see the cake starts. When the cake starts to rise, I know they're gonna celebrate. And as you can see, it's not gonna be just the process of baking a cake for them. It's going to turn out, it's going to turn into a family event. It's gonna be messy, it's gonna be loud, but honestly, this is my favorite kind of baking a cake. And I think moving forward, not baking alone, because baking alone sometimes can be boring, but I'm not baking alone anytime. So I'll try to maximize every time the schools are on recess. I'll try as much as possible to bake with the girls, because they really want to learn. So let's sit back and watch, and I hope that you're gonna have fun with the process of the cake baking.
Now, will we put food coloring? Yeah.
Okay, you can pause.
I've started.
Yes.
Lida usitoke. Ukisema unatokea useme. Ukitokea unataka kupita useme to pause.
This the last
Cup of milk. Process of
this one,
mixture.
you have to clear your
Table.
So let's see.
Tena hapo ataka wimbo. Teka speed mode. Season. I love one thing. Okay, so after we are done, I'm going to pass. There you go. Stop recording. You are dead. Kama last time kuna ngilo nikana. Mimi kasema ikasaa tu.
So before we finish, we have to preheat.
So you're going to preheat. Hey.
For 20 minutes first.
Tea.
So I want like 108.
Let's do it.
So we are 108. Yeah, nice. So we're going to preheat for like about 10 minutes. It's fine. Did you see the?
Yeah. There's a
Zoom it.
yeah.
Or you can just get down and go and
Pause.
go and say something.
So we are preheating.
Stop laughing because you saw the video.
We are preheating the oven. So they can be ready. Yeah, it can be ready. The baking is done.
You really get that. Go back. And then when we add the orange food color,
Okay.
I don't know how it's gonna look like, but it's an experiment. So let's take a little bit of it. I don't know.
Oh, never mind.
I hope that's not a lot.
That thing that looks like
Yeah, so let's
make
make
it
Pink.
Is it orange?
No, it's still
You want
yellow.
the whole cake to look to be orange.
Yes, not that orange.
This one is a little bit.
Yeah.
No, I think this is enough.
Yeah, that's
When
enough.
I add a little bit.
It's
I
a
don't
little.
know how it's gonna turn.
Let usionekane.
Add more.
Mgoaji monekane. Yeah. That's a lot.
Lord. Let's see.
Now that's better.
Let's see how it's gonna look like.
That's more like it.
Next.
So we are transferring the mixture from the mixing bowl to the baking tray.
Yeah, we're transferring the mixture from the bowl to the baking tray. And then we'll put it in the
Oven.
Okay, how many minutes are you baking our cake?
45 minutes.
At what degrees Celsius?
180.
Yes, 180.
Oh, we say
And have you
100.
preheated the oven?
Yes, for
At
20 minutes
At
at
what degrees?
180 degrees.
How many minutes are remaining?
8
Can you check?
minutes.
It's 8 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah, so we just need to wait for 8 minutes
So it can be.
for it to be preheated. And then I have to scrape everything. So let me out. So now we have this. We can use this. We have to scrape everything. You see?
Yes.
Using our spatula. This what?
Spatula.
Yes. So we have to scrape.
So everyone can have a piece. You think so everyone can have a piece?
A piece of the cake. Yeah,
Yes.
this is today. Are you eating the cake today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Are you sure the cake will last till tomorrow?
Yes. No. People will come sneaking at midnight. 12 o'clock midnight. It's all over.
Who's going to carry the tray, the baking tray into the oven?
Me?
So the oven is very hot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? So you have to be careful so you don't get burnt.
Okay.
Alright, and always make sure to clear the
Working area. The working area.
the working area should always be
Clean.
clean.
And the kitchen.
Yeah, generally the kitchen.
Sink.
This one is to the trash bin. And then now, okay. Let me just because I don't like this. So, as we said, how many minutes are we baking the cake?
45 minutes.
Yeah. So now we are going to put our cake in the oven. No, 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Okay, I think it's preheated enough. So who's gonna help me put the tray in the oven?
Me.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. And we are putting
The
the cake mixture into the
oven.
so the heat is gone. And it's okay. So we want to bake that for 45 minutes. Okay, so you have to go in the minutes. You know, sometimes it's been for 45
Minutes.
Oh, this is 45. It's warm enough. No, back. So, no, we're not using air fryer. What is this thing? We don't want air fryer. Wait, try again. It's okay. I don't know what has happened, but let's bake our cake for 45 minutes. So see you in the next 45
Minutes.
45
Minutes.
45
Minutes. Finally, the cake.
Let me zoom a bit because we are not even seeing the cake. We have like about 4 minutes remaining. We have 4 minutes remaining.
Finally, the cake has baked. It's about 45 minutes. It's about 180 Finally, the cake has baked after 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. There's only about 2 minutes left for it to finish baking. And the next thing you do after baking the cake is to let it cool down before slicing it.
So are you guys happy for today's experiment?
Yes.
Yeah, so let's wait. Who's gonna take the cake out of the oven? You can't, it's hot. We need some gloves.
Yes, they're there.
So yeah, so
They're there. So
get the gloves. We're almost getting the cake out of the oven. Say hooray!
Hooray. So we are going to use these special gloves called mittens. So because the cake is hot. So there's only 1 more minute left for the cake to finish baking. We are so excited. So the thing we can put a syrup
but it's not a must to put.
If you don't want. So if you want to put syrup, you can put. Yeah. So you're gonna just show that later.
Okay.
And then it was under.
Tumia hiyo moja.
Finally.
You guys, you talk. No, we feel like
It has finished. As you
cake.
can see, it says
Ended. And we had waited for so long.
So for very so long.
We have to let it cool.
You can use this with it.
So
Yes. Nimezima cake. Yeah. Nimeizima.
Oh, the cake. Well, waited for so long. Just the
We, ayo kimeiva. Iko sawa? Yeah.
yeah, we are
Mbona penye imefura nani alikuwa anataka ifure?
for like 5 to
2 to 5 minutes.
So trust the process.
You get the best result.
Yeah, so these are the results.
You can just put some syrup. Wait, it's going to cook.
What is this? What is this?